In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your photo on Microsoft Teams. First off, let's start by visiting the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be asked to enter your account details, so make sure you have your username and password ready. This step is pretty straightforward, just like signing into any other website. Now, once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your current profile photo there. If you haven't set one up yet, it might just display your initials inside a circle. Give that photo a click. This action will bring up a small drop-down menu. There's no rush, take your time to familiarize yourself with the options available to you, though for now we're focused on updating your photo. After you've clicked on your profile photo in the drop-down menu, you'll be presented with another view of your profile photo or icon. It might seem a bit repetitive, but this is just how Teams structures its user interface for profile customization. Now for the exciting part, updating your photo. You'll see an option to upload a new photo. Click on upload and a file browser will appear. This is your cue to pick the new photo you'd like to use. Before you do this, make sure you've chosen a photo that represents you the way you want to be seen on Teams. It could be a professional headshot, a casual photo with a clear view of your face, or any image that aligns with your personal or professional branding. Navigate through your files and select the photo you wish to upload. After selecting your photo, you'll see a preview of it in Teams. If it looks good, you're almost done. The final step is to click on Save. This will officially set your selected photo as your profile picture across Microsoft Teams. Remember, updating your profile photo is a great way to make your interactions on Teams more personal. Whether it's for work, school, or casual chats, showing your face can make digital communication feel a bit more connected. And that's it. You've successfully updated your photo on Microsoft Teams. This simple change can make a world of difference in how you connect and collaborate within the app. So don't be shy to freshen things up every now and then. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials to help you get the most out of Microsoft Teams.